Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss about the past statements in detail. So, when to use the past statement? When we don't want the loop being impacted even when a certain condition is met, we will use the past statement. The past statement acts like a placeholder or a reminder when we are working on a new code and wanted to think about the logic in the later part. The past statement starts with the keyword pass. The pass statement program runs like an ordinary program with no special condition. It can be used with for loop or while loop. Now we will look into an example using a for loop to have a better understanding of how the pass statement works. In this example, we have a list L which is having 5 different objects. We are having a for loop to loop through the list L. Inside the for loop, we have an if block. The if blocks check for the value checking. In our case, for the first two iterations, the if block is not executed. During the third iteration, the value checking from the list L is assigned to the temp variable. So the if block turns to be true and the content inside the if block is executed. The first print statement is executed. Then the program encounters the pass block. The moment the program encounters a pass block, it acts like a normal program and continues to the next print statement. And the program completes the loop without any interruption. Once the loop is completed, the program moves to the next line of the code, which is the program ends print statement. Now we will run the program and check it out. So if you guys noticed, for the first two iterations, the if block is not executed. During the third iteration, when the value is checking, the if block turns to be true and it is executed. So the first print statement is executed and the program encounters the pass, and it acts like there is no special condition, and so the next print statement is executed and the loop continues. The loop runs till the length of the list, and the program moves to the next line of the code, which is nothing but the program ends print statement. So the past statements are like a placeholder or a reminder for us. So when we are writing a new code and we wanted to think about logic in the later part, we use the past statement so that when we look into our code, we'll get an idea that we need to write some logic in this place of the past. that is the whole purpose of the pass statement. Hope you guys understood the concept of pass statement and its uses. See you guys in the next video.